Well, hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make an attempt to make a beat or reggaeton beat using nothing but LMMS sounds. I'm going to use nothing but LMMS VSTs and drum packs. Now, if this is something that you might like, something that you might be interested in, stay tuned and do not go away. Now, I already made the selection of sounds that I wanted, and I used the triple oscillator. So some of the sounds that I use, it's right here, which is the broken key, ghost boy, percussive bass, and square ping. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a melody here with the square ping. So double click on it, opens up this piano roll. So I'm going to start recording. And I opened up the Metadorm. Oh, I don't even know how to call this, what this is called. But you know what it is. Anyway, so, and I'm going to start creating the melody. So let's see. And I messed up a little bit. So that goes there. So now the next thing that I'm going to create is going to be not the broken toy, but the ghost boy. So let's see. There we go. So here I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use the E over here, so it's like the circle of fifth pretty much. And I did this on a previous one that I did before, so it goes here. And let's go down, so it'll be E. But I'm gonna go up right there and right here. So that will go here. Let's delete that one and move it over one. All right, and another one there, and right there. So let's take a listen to this together. I used the wrong one here, so alright, so I like that. So now the broken toy, pretty easy. I'm just gonna put it right there, and I think right there, and then another E over here. And let's listen to this together now. So we're going to do the same thing for this percussive bass. We're going to open it up right here. Simple. On the A, and E again. Where's the E? Right there. And let's take a listen to this. And now to create the drum pattern, so we're going to go over here. There was something that I used from here. I can't remember what it was. But let me look at it. Miscellaneous bass. I like this bass, so I'm going to use this one. Now if I go back here to this here, it has the, I like this right here, so I'm going to use that one. Let's open it up. And as you can see, I already use some of them. I already have it set up here. Let me show you where I got them from. So I went here and I went to acoustic, and that kick muffle is this kick right here. Then I used the snare. I think it's that one, I'm not sure, but I already had the snare from here before. Then I used a rim shot. I think it's this one. No, not that one. Maybe it's the 808 one. I can't remember which rim shot it was. Yeah, CR 8000, so it's this one right here. Alright, so then the next step that I do here is I right click, then I add a step to each one of these. Add a step. So we're going to do this for everything here. Okay, so add a step, add a step, add a step, and add a step. So the first thing we're going to do is add the kicks. So it'll be this here. And what I'm going to do is, actually, you know what? Let's just do this. I wish we could just hit a button and say, okay, you know, add it to every first one in here, and it'll be easier to do. Now we're going to use this deep bass here. I'm going to use it in every other black note here. And then we're going to use this one. So for the reggaeton beat, you put the kick on the ones like it is now. I like that. So then now I'm going to use the snare. So the snare goes on the fourth black one and the third gray one. So fourth, third, fourth and third, fourth and third. So now let's take a listen. Alright, so now we have the reggaeton kind of style going on there. So let's listen to this together. Alright guys, so there you have it. Nice and simple reggaeton beat, done with nothing but LMMS. I hope that you like this. I hope that you enjoy this. I hope that you learned something new from this. And please don't forget to hit that button like at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make a comment in the comment section below, whether you like this or you disliked it and you thought what I did was a complete piece of junk. But again, thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.